Hi, Christine here with another cute, quick and simple card I made using my Cricut. Today I used 3 birds on parade, and I found this cute little baby bird with a pacifier. And then they also have the little girl with the diaper. It is super cute. And so the next video will be the girl. And I thought this turned out quite cute, and I decided to raise the little bird up on the perch, and instead of the perch just kind of hanging there, I made it into a swing, and as it says, it's simply adorable. So let's get started. I started with a blue cardstock 8.5 by 11, cut in half, folded in half to get a standard A2 card. And then for my background, I chose just plain white cardstock. I ran it through my Cuttlebug with circles, and it's 4 inches by 5 1/4. And I'm not going to put it on quite yet because I'm going to show you, because the swing needs to be cut off. And I'll show you how I did that. So I went to page 76, and I used the same colors that were already there. This image is cut at 3 inches, so I used the perch, which is in yellow, and then I added the little wood piece in brown, and in layer 1 is the green vine that goes all the way around. So I layered the piece together, and then I took the same brown as I used on the bottom of the perch, and I cut at 1/4 inch strips to length in brown, and I just glued it to the back. And I'm just going to get that out of the way. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue this down again. Use my 2-way glue. And I'm not sure how far it needs to go, so I didn't want to cut it down. So I'm going to take my border, and probably right about here, which is 3/4 of the way down, I am going to put the swing, and I'm going to glue it. Okay, and then all you do is you cut the brown pieces off, and that way you get a straight piece on your border instead of something you have to try to cut afterwards once it's glued to the bottom of the card. So I'm just using my ATG gun and making sure my stamp is at the bottom in the back, and just roughly put that in the center and put it straight down. Now, before I go to my little image of my bird, I had found these pre-adhesive strips at the dollar store. I believe they go on cell phones, but for $1 you get so many of the gems, and I like the color. So all I'm going to do is take this strip off and add it to the base at the bottom of the card to give it some additional bling. And right about there. And it's cute. I like the pattern. Okay. And then I went to do my little baby birdie. And that is on page 32 of 3 Birds on Parade. And I didn't use shadow, but I just used the baby boy background just to get the eyes. And so I did the image in black. However, after further review, I ended up putting little black gems for the eyes. But either way, so I used black for the base, and then I took a colored blue to do the color of the baby bird, And then, by the way, this is all cut at 3.5 inches. And I did layer for the wings, and then I did the layer plus shift to get the nose and the feet. And I cut that out twice because I layered both the feet and the nose. And I did the same for layer 2 for the little pacifier and the blanket. So I cut that out twice. And while I'm at it, I also cut out Simply Adorable. This is cut at 1 inch, both in the background as well as the Simply Adorable saying. So I started to put my, I'm going to move the card away for a second. I started to layer my little birdie. And so I put the blanket, I put the first base of the nose and the feet plus the wings. And then I just doodled lightly around in black just to get a little bit of depth. And then I glued one of the pacifiers to the nose, and I raised the nose up on some foam tape. And if I can get the backing off, will be good. There we go. And then the nose just goes right on top. So cute. And what I did is I ran the blanket through the Cuttlebug, again using the same as the background circles. And I raised that on the second one with some foam tape also. And that just goes right on top. And I did the same for the feet. And this one, I'm going to have to do something with it. I glued it by accident, and you can see it. I'm going to have to do something. And I probably will have to cut it out and do another one. Then there's the other foot. And I also raised this cute little pacifier. Looks cute. And it goes right on top. Now, if you can see the foam piece, which I'm not sure if you can or not, I can, and you just take the tip of your scissors and you poke it in, and it'll no longer be visible. Alright, and then back to the card, I used foam adhesive tape again. I'm going to raise the birdie up one last time to give the card some depth. And just place that so he's sitting on the perch, just like so. Doesn't matter that it's on top of the jewels. I think it looks cute. And then I said that I used some black jewels that I found at the dollar store, and I just covered up the little 2 slits of black, and I think turned out so cute. And then I'm just going to take some 2-way glue and just put the Simply Adorable on an angle at the top. And I had a few of the blue gems left over. There's some stickiness on them still. And I put one at each of the top of the swing, just like so. And one last one on the edge of the perch, just like so. And all done. Very quick, very simple card. Very cute for a baby shower. Congratulations, it's a boy. Whatever. And that's it. So, I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.